The major selling point of our concept, which is location-based gaming, is that every single visual element within the actual concept can change based on where the user is. So this is extremely relevant because, for example, businesses can choose to support us, and we can advertise for them. So rather than having pop-up ads like most apps have these days, we can instead choose to change our layout to reflect that business once the user is in the relevant location to that business.
So once we're inside the app, we can hit refresh to get our location, and we can create a room. We can see that the room that we just made is showing up on the other phone. I can join the room now. Okay, so now that we're both in the room, one of us, if one just changes our icon, you can see that it's reflected on both screens. So let's try and start the game. Okay, so now that we're in the game, you can see that when both players move, it's reflect on both screens. The goal of the game is to collect as many watermelons as you can, so let's just play this. Okay, so now that the game's ended, we can see that our Samsung phone only collected 3 watermelons, while T-Mobile can collect 10. We can get out of here. Okay, so now once we're out of the game, we can check the leaderboards, our area leaders, and we can see that the score that we just got from before is added on to the score before. We've obviously been playing before, so the score is kind of high. And we need to note that each area, because it's a location-based game, will have a different leaderboard.
So our game basically allows us to change a theme based on where our location is. We can actually implement that with other different events that's actually going on. So let's say we have Chinese New Year, we can have a Chinese New Year theme. If we have like a Christmas, you can have a Christmas theme based on what kind of things that people like. We also actually allow people to actually go outside of their comfort zone so that they can actually explore different places just for different content of our games.
Because our game implements different themes, this opens up an opportunity for us to implement crowdsourcing. What crowdsourcing does, it allows users to generate content, which then we can implement within the game.